Hey, often we get asked what are the main benefits to using our fashion/apparel store POS software package. And look, while the software handles, stock variants, so color, size, and style, it handles, customer loyalty. We've got e-com integration tools, marketing tools, and so forth. I guess the main benefits are how easy it is to bring stock into the system. And what I mean by that is using a couple of different tools within the software. Our first one being the AI Invoice Import tool. We can essentially get any PDF invoice from any supplier, get AI to analyze that file, and that will essentially bring everything that's on the PDF invoice over into the system. So I'll demonstrate a couple of different invoices for you now. So firstly, I'll get this invoice here, and you'll see here over on the left-hand side, there's 3 items here. So if I use our AI embedded tools within the software, I can click on Analyze, and that's going to analyze the invoice over on the left. And as I said, bring everything over to the grid in the right-hand side here. So you'll see it's brought descriptions across, it's brought supplier stock codes, it's brought quantities, cost prices, and so forth. All of these items I haven't had in the system already. So what I have to do is I either have to generate a barcode, or I can simply click in there and assign a barcode to that product. And I can assign it to a department here as well. Now there's a couple of different tools here as well. So if all of these items are, just say in the clothing department or accessories department or whatever it might be, you can use the item tools down here and actually set all the departments to be the same. That way you're not going through individually. And same with barcodes. If you have to generate barcodes, you can simply come down here and go generate all barcodes. Once you've got all that set, you click on Save to Arrivals, and that will arrive the invoice as is. I'll go to a different one. That was only 3 items here, but if I bring up this item or this invoice here and click Analyze, you'll see here that there's probably some of these items that I've had in my system already, which I don't have to do anything regarding barcodes or departments or anything like that. And then there's obviously items where, I might have ordered for the first time, so I might have to add those in. So again, you can just go through individually, assign barcodes, assign departments, give it a retail price, but at least you're not sitting there typing in descriptions, supplier stock codes, how many you received, cost prices, and all the other stuff that you have to generally do manually as well. So that's analyzed that file. I don't know how many items are on here, but that's found, 32 here. So you'll see if I scroll up here, all the items in grey means I've had it in the system already. Anything in red means they're brand new items where I might have to do a couple of things to it, as I said from the start. So that's using our AI Invoice Import tool. We've had customers that say they, save anywhere between 15 and 20 hours a week actually arriving the stock, which is pretty cool. And the other thing is using our integration with an online database called Barcode Lookup. So I'm just going to find a random item here. As you can see here, there's over 1.5 billion items on this database. So we're not saying that every item exists on here, but if your supplier does list all their items on here, it'll just allow you to easily bring those items in with images, as I'll demonstrate here. So if I scan this barcode, it's saying I can't find this item in the system, so I'm going to add it in for the first time. I'll go through the wizard. You'll see that it performs a quick little barcode lookup. Straight away, it's grabbed the description of that product. So I click on next. I'll have to give it a department, and I'll give it a cost price as well. So I'm just going to go $14.95. You'll see we've got our AI pricing facility here. So if you're unsure of what to price an item, you can basically click that, and that will analyze all your competitors in your location and what they're selling that product for. So we'll give you 3 different price points. I'm just going to use the standard one here. A couple of things here. If I click on image, it's brought across all the images from that online database. If I click on next and go to my web settings, if I want this to send it to my Shopify site or whatever platform you're using, again, using our AI tools, I can get AI to generate a bit of an extended description about that product. I don't have to do this. I can obviously bypass that screen, but I'm just going to go save and exit, click web store item. When I click on finish, not only has that added that product into my database, but it'll also appear on my online store ready for sale as well. So as I said, we handle variants. If you sell an item here, you can basically click it in the point of sale and you can see, what other variants that you have in stock. So if a customer says, hey, I wouldn't mind one of these in black or small or medium or large or whatever variant you've got. You can quickly and easily add those to the sale from here. But look, that's just a quick little snapshot. If you wanted to see the software any further, I'm happy to go through loyalty, marketing, and any other functionality it offers as well. Thanks for watching.